Good morning, Simon. I'm going out with Pinky, so don't do anything bad.
Okay, Oren.
Hi Pinky, isn't it cold out here?
Yes, it's very cold.
Listen to this. Now wait for me, Pinky.
Okay, Oren.
Andrea, wake up. We need to know what to do.
Let's play with firecrackers. But first I have to ask my twin bro Andrew and my friend Radda.
In Felicia's mind, but playing with firecrackers is dangerous.
It's boring watching Lazy Town.
Agree. What's your twin sister up to? Oh hey Andrea, what are you up to?
I was just wondering, can we play with firecrackers?
Of course your twin loves it.
My phone's ringing, I'll be right back. Lizzie, why are you calling?
Because what are you up to today?
Playing with firecrackers, duh.
But playing with firecrackers is very dangerous.
I don't care.
Wenda, this is for you.
For me, thank you, Andrew. Wah 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 wah. Hey Oren.
Oh hey Andrea, I didn't see you there. I was going to get some water. Do you have a gift for me?
Yes, this is for you.
Hey Rosie, this is for you.
Thank you, Radda. Rosie wanted it so badly. Wah 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 wah.
Oh no, it might be Wenda. Wenda, why are you crying?
Because a firecracker exploded me in the face and my arm hurts, Dad.
I will call an ambulance about this. Stay in your room, Wenda.
Sorry Pinky, this is for you.
Yay, strawberry ice cream for me and caramel ice cream for you. Thank you, Oren. But why do you have ashes on your face?
Because a firecracker exploded me in the face and I have a scar on me.
Oh my god, once we finish our ice cream we'll go to my house and put a band-aid on you.
Thank you, Pinky.
Playing with firecrackers is so much fun.
I'm already out. Help p. Take my hand, Utres. Utres, playing with firecrackers is very dangerous. You could everyone and even yourselves as well.
We're sorry, Simon, we'll never do that again.